ASA's Part 61 Private Pilot Kit is the perfect introductory kit with all the essential books and supplies that meet the FAA requirements to obtaining a private pilot certificate. Included in the Part 61 kit is the Complete Private Pilot. This textbook prepares students for the FAA Knowledge Exam and covers all the information needed in becoming a private, sport, or recreational pilot. Along with the textbook is the Complete Private Pilot Syllabus. This syllabus offers an integrated flight and ground training curriculum, meeting all the experience and knowledge requirements for Part 61 and 141 programs. The Private Pilot Test Prep book covers practice test questions organized by chapter to prepare you to take your FAA Knowledge Exam. Our prepware software is now included at no additional cost. Next, we have the ACS for Private Pilot Airplane. This guide contains all the current FAA standards and explains everything students need to know, do, and consider to pass their knowledge exam and check ride. The Part 61 kit would not be complete without the latest edition of the FAR AIM. The FAR AIM contains up-to-date information on FAA regulations for pilots, drone operators, and instructors. Also in this kit is the Oral Exam Guide for Private Pilot. This is a comprehensive guide to prepare students for their practical exam with frequently asked questions by FAA examiners along with provided responses. The High Wing Aircraft Visualized Flight Maneuvers Manual provides a detailed visual aid for every type of maneuver required for private, sport, commercial, and flight instructor. Additionally, the Standard Pilot Logbook and flight planning sheets are a great tool for tracking flights and training time. They comply with the FAA record-keeping requirements and include instructor endorsements. The Student Flight Record for Private Pilot provides a training record of accomplishments for each lesson, performance, and flight hours to give to your CFI. The E6B flight computer allows for calculation of time, distance, altitude, airspeed, and more, and the Ultimate Rotating Plotter contains 8 skills to aid with flight planning and direct course readout. Lastly, the included pilot briefcase holds all of your training supplies safely with a durable nylon material. To learn more about the Part 61 Private Pilot Kit and other products, please visit asa2fly.com.